Hey, what's up, guys? So today, let me know if you can hear me, but today I'm just going to be taking a look at my NeoVim setup, and I'm going to be making some changes to like my OBS studio and like how it captures things. Because I've noticed a few things that I'm not liking so much, so I'm just playing around with a few things. So anyway, let's see here. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. All right. So now I see that needs, we could just do that and then very good. Thank you so much. That I so appreciate that. So I want to take a look at that right now, actually. I want to see the text because I made some changes. I want to see just how good those changes are. So I want to see my live stream. Cringe, right? All right. So anyway, hey there, Isak. How are you? All right. So I'm taking a look at my setup today. I want to see just how good my setup is as far as my text and stuff like that. And all right. All right, right there. That looks good. All right, let me see here. Let me view on YouTube. Okay. Um, oh, I guess I'm still a little far behind. Okay, very good. Um, oh, snap. Okay, I forgot the transition. Okay. All right. No problem. All right. And why does it always. Okay, we're good, I suppose. All right. Um, let's take a look at that. Okay. I might want the text a little bit bigger. I think I can fix that. Alrighty. So, wow. All right, we're doing really good here. Or maybe I should, maybe I should, okay. So I just want to see a few things. I'm gonna make a couple of changes today. I think that's something I want to do because I see issues sometimes that I don't like and I don't know what to do about it always. Like I don't want to like but I saw yesterday's stream and I actually thought it was okay for the most part. There were a few things that annoyed the hell out of me, and this would be one. Let's see here. So like okay, we're good there. All right. That's a little on the small side. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. How about this? 20. Is that a little bit better? I think it is actually. Oh yeah. Good. Mm. I don't know. Is that chat is that text a little small? It is. I still need to tweak it. But it's looking a little bit better, I think. Oh no. So the one thing I don't want to do is like stretch it like it was. I didn't like that. Let's see what we can do here. Um, let's all right. Okay. If you didn't know, I'm actually editing some CSS that I threw in here. So 20. Okay. I don't mind that. Minus, we're going to go 10 here. Margin 5. Actually, yeah, I think that'll be fine. Bottom. Why so much? Okay, no problem. Width. Okay, live chat render. So let's see if this does something. All right, let's see. There's a couple of changes that I've made. See what that does. It's a little bit bigger, right? But not big enough. All right. All right. So we have to. I'm just gonna plug something into ChatGPT to basically make this a little bit bigger. 1 second. Actually, that's not bad. I don't mind that actually. Now the only thing is I just need just that right on the bottom. I don't like that at all. All right. And that's the browser section, I think. All right. I think that should do it. Let's see here. I kind of like that. And then, all right. Actually, you can read that. This is good. I want it to be a little bit more legible. Let's see here. I'm going to bring this over here. Oh, I can't do that, can I? Not very easily. I can bring it over here, I guess. Oh no, it's always on. Where can I put this? Okay. All right. No, 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 no. I got it. I just wanted to see it, but maybe, maybe like this. All right. Okay. Alrighty. And so I think that's going to be okay. I just want it a little bit more transparent. All right. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, no problem. I know exactly what this is. So if I come over here and go to the filters, I'll bet you I have chroma key. There we go. And have some color correction. I like that. I think that one's gonna work brilliantly. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? I think it does. So now, the other thing that I wanted to do was kind of show off some of my handiwork. So, anyway, Darren, Darren and Isaac, it's good to have you here. Um, anyway, I think this text is an improvement. What do you guys think? So I have this. I don't need that anymore. And now and I think I could just do that right there. Boom. Boom. All right. Then let's go to the camera. Yeah, I like it too. I think I'm going to be just fine with that. And then come over here. I think that's a lot better. Yeah, I know. Yeah, me too. So anyway, I think that's gonna work out just great. I think I think people will actually want to watch my video now. What do you guys think? Trying to get as much traction as possible. And I'm planning on doing a whole bunch of live streams. I mean, I don't think I'll ever be like TJ DeVries, but who knows? I don't have words. I created a decentralized instant messenger using AI. Okay, that's pretty cool. Hey, Ben, how are you doing? How's my text look? Does it look like somebody might actually want to watch my video? When I look at it, it's like really small, but when I see it on the actual browser, it's not bad. And I think once you turn it over, like on a cell phone, I think you'll be able to see it as well. So I think I'm going to go with that. I like it. Yeah. You know, like it does wonders. I mean, it just always surprises me what a little CSS will do. All right. So let's see here. So I did a lot of what I would call messing around with NeoVim yesterday and my plugin manager, and I have two major features. One, I'm not going to be able to test, but I'll tell you about it. The first feature that I added last night was to be able to download a NeoVim plugin from any Git server. So, like whether it's GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, whatever it is, I can even download from an individual server that hosts a NeoVim plugin. And the other one I did, ooh, yeah, drum roll, please. So let's take a look at it. So if I go here, I'm going to do it so you can see that from here that my solarized Osaka is working, right? So I did some things. So if I come over here and just say false and I reinstall it, the solarized Osaka in Vim gets moved to a disabled folder so it doesn't actually read it. And then if I wanted to move it back, It's very simple. And I don't know why this keeps doing this. Praise the Lord and pass the biscuits. I'm impressing myself. And there you go. And it's back. So I basically can have granular control over my NeoVim configuration, which is really nice. That way I don't need a lazy load and not very lazy load and all that good garbage. I can just basically set up my configuration. I figure if I have 50 plugins or less, which I normally do, I think that's gonna work. So anyway, now one of the other issues that I've been working on or thinking about, see, like this makes sense right here because like the width isn't that big, but when the width is like if I'm actually coding, like this right here, if I come in here and yeah, right here, this is just fine. Light light plug. Now this looks like something someone would want to take a look at. But if you have it like this, it can be like way too big. And in fact, I guess you can kind of see what's going on even from something like that. I don't mind that so much. But, you know, like when I'm writing code and it's kind of like running off to the other side and doing things like that. And then, like, whenever I have to split my screen, of course, I needed to come in probably and do something like that. Maybe even be a little smaller, maybe. Yeah, like that. So now, if I wanted to let me toggle the chat for a minute. Okay, so if I wanted to do something like that, now I think I could do that. But what I would like to do is do all of that automatically with key bindings. I think that would be the way to go. And then I could just I would have normal. Okay. So we're gonna have to take a look at how to add this. Um, but I think this is actually really good. So now if I come in here and come into plugins, right? Vim Sakalua, for example. And then I could do Vim, and there we are. That actually looks kind of nice. So I think actually that's one other change that I could make that I think would, you know, because I was watching my live stream from yesterday, and everybody just kind of clicks on it and clicks off in about a minute. And so but I saw why. Like the text was like completely garbage and that sort of thing. So I could see. And so anyway, so let's see what we can do with that. All right, so let's go TMS. So I'm in Kitty, so let's do Kitty. Sorry, Kitty. All right. All right. So the font size is actually fairly good. Um, oh, that's interesting. Actually, it's not bad though. So if I do like Control Shift O, that's nice. I forgot I had set that up. And actually, I'm looking at this on screen. This is really a big improvement. What do you guys all think? Do you like this change? I'm gonna do another change. But right now I think this is gonna work. Um, all right. So let's go to Chat GPT for a minute, just because I just don't want to deal with this. Um, I don't want to do it. So, okay, good. All right. Actually, that's actually not a bad idea. Right there. Control Shift 1. All right. It's actually exactly, I'm going to change it just a little bit, but that actually is perfect. Oh, it's kitty terminal with a lowercase. All right. All right. So 15 is this right here. 15. So I'll set it to 10. 120, I think is 18. All right. So let's see here. Control Shift, Z, Control, Map, Control Shift, Control. So Maybe I gotta reopen it. So let's go to Xeno. And it doesn't work. See, I didn't do that works. I bet you. I'll just oh wait, hold up. Why do you need to do set font size? That's what it is right here. I bet you. ChatGPT is almost always wrong about everything. It's probably that way on a Mac or something. So now we could do okay. Okay. All right. So, oh, I know what it is. It's T-Mux. Holy mackerel. I never imagined this. T-Mux is what's doing it. All right. So, watch. So, if I do TMS again and I do kitty, no, kit, sorry, watch. Comp, all right. I was wrong about that. Watch. This does work now. All right. So this is good. All right. Yeah, sometimes ChatGPT just screws the pooch, doesn't it? All right. Oh, is that all? Okay. Let's do TMS. We're going to do kitty. Kitty conf. I didn't realize that. Okay, no problem. So we're going to uh, so now you should be able to. Oh, right. Time. So I need to. All right, I just need. Perfect. Which that would be normal. Now let's see here. That's Zeno Revamp in a Dalu. Here. Now I could do 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. All right. Well, I got a little bit done today. I think this will make a nice little improvement, I think. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think that'll work for me? So let's take a look at it. I want to just look at my handiwork. So let's see. There's that. It's very small, very big. Actually, this is normal. This is a little bigger, and then this is really big. Perfect. I actually think I'm going to like that. So, what do you guys think? I think that will work for me. Um, so anyway, I hope everyone has a nice rest of their day. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I just wanted to hang out and get a couple of things done because tomorrow I'm planning a really long stream, maybe 3 or 4 hours. So I really wanted to have everything all ready. And, I don't know if I'll be doing a lot of terminal work tomorrow. I'll probably um, be in a, like a TTY most of the time. But I think this is going to be a big improvement because I'm going to make some big improvements on this NeoVim configuration. And I kind of just want to document the process, and I think this will allow it to do just that. Anyway, do I have? Wow. Oh, okay. All right. I'll just turn the volume off. Okay. I didn't realize that I had my volume on. Kind of funny. All right. So anyway, hopefully tomorrow though, I'm planning a 3 4 hour. I'm going to be setting up crux. I think I figured out what was the problem, and I'm just gonna I remember some things, but I'm gonna go through the installation probably I don't know, go through the installation, and then I'm planning on like adding repos and packages and stuff, maybe get a basic desktop set up. And then I got some Slackware stuff coming up pretty soon. And yeah, more NeoVim torture. And I have some torture with Arch Linux. I'm probably going to do an Arch install, but I actually am going to do something unique. I'm going to do a installation of an immutable desktop um, from start to finish. So it'd be like loading the Arch ISO and basically setting up the the immutable system. And I have like this immutable system set up, I think, from what I've been reading, that I can set it up and actually still write to root. And it's really, really cool. So anyway, be on the lookout for that, right? Anyway, I'm going to go get something to eat because, well, you know how it is. I got family over today. I just wanted to make a couple of really quick improvements and just, prepare for tomorrow, man. I hope everybody has a great rest of their day. And I think this looks okay. So I'm really happy with how this is going to turn out. I think I can handle this. So anyway, till next time, everybody just take care of yourself, man. And I'll see you probably tomorrow. Thank you so much, Daryl. Or Darren, sorry. Thank you. Alrighty. Well, anyway. Later, everyone.